Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning upon the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the teacher, definitely the dancehall definition of a gyalis. I'm gonna tell you about gyalis. Now, we have all seen what is taking place in the media with Shāme, Lisa, Jody, the other Lisa, even Spice now in the mix. They must say, well, Spice features them there. Now, viewers and subscribers, first and foremost, let me point out this. The run dancehall music videos on the way. We have the exclusive clip. I'm going to say that and then we're going to continue the reason, viewers and subscribers. Look and listen. The video is on the way. No, as I was saying, the teachers found a way to keep all these ladies on the same page. Remember, majority of the artists working with Vybz Kartel, female or male. The aim is establishment. I mean, they know some work with the greatest in the game right now, and that will definitely help to enhance their career standing with the fans. Now, for Lisa Hype, we know what their situation and Vybz Kartel situation. You know what I mean? She followed out recently and make some statements. She cleared them up in somewhat of an apology. The teacher has new songs on the way with her. Spice, they must say from what day, they must say Kartel have dropped no tracks with Spice. Viewers and subscribers, just remember this. We have over 5 already recorded and mastered tracks with Vybz Kartel and Spice. Just know that. We can drop them any day. No. It's the vibe and the tempo of the songs. But remember, we are now in the summer. We do want to take place now with, you know what I mean? Public spaces now being opened somewhat where people can group together. There's still no confirmation that parties will be held anytime soon. But remember, certain songs are definitely at that tempo. They get the people in that party mood. Let the people want to wind up like car window. So these tracks are strategically, viewers and subscribers, not being shelved, but being set on a scheduled release. So them can drop and have the most impact. Lisa, our video gonna drop a road. She and the teacher and Shāme good. Foota, low woman them business alone. Foota, you need to leave ladies' business alone. Stop follow up the woman them. I shall talk to you about that something there, you know. But we know your thing, Foota. We know your style. You just basically speak your opinion, gain your attention, put your, you know what I mean, your input there. Me can't tell us if I stop talk. Can't tell if a loud woman in business, but me can't tell us if I stop talk. So you do what you do. I still feel like that track there from Vybz Kartel and Shāme in the music video. You're bad mind, so. Yeah, man, are you know? It's a barbershop scene there. You see the barbershop scene? Remember your location is a barbershop. Hold it and move right along. Now, viewers and subscribers, we have more tracks on the way. We have another album slated to be released very soon. If we want, we can flood the market with music. But at the same time, while we lead by inspiration, we have to also create a space for the youth then. So right now, all artists featured on the Afghans and Divas album are drop singles. We are going extremely well right now. The whole world has a skilly bang. Sika Rhymes, the VP name already out there. The people might look forward to more singles from him. All of the ladies featured on the track. Lisa Mercedez name has not left the headlines since she do her first collab with the teacher. And since the teacher mentioned her in the Our Girl track, put her in a Mercedes, Lisa. Her name left the headlines almost every other day they talk about her. Lisa hype are the same thing. From Mama Fowdy back, the teacher work with her and that energy they did. Her name to leave the headlines neither. Sharp boss. So you know exactly how to drive controversy. You know Mama will tell you something and give it with a straight face. Shorty no laugh. That one thing with Shorty is not a person. They say if it makes you smile and makes you laugh, feel good in yourself. Cause mama will talk to you all day and she not give you no laugh. Serious. Serious like judging a child. Mama on a ramp. So, you know what I mean? She know exactly how to say what she need to say. Forget that media attention going. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel at the helm of everything. One thing with Vybz Kartel. This is a superstar. You have to have thick skin. And this is a terminology. You know, this is just a terminology. Meaning, say, things that people say, it can't easily get under your skin. If you put out a song on somebody and say, oh, I don't like that song not tough. You have to be an individual. You have to say, watch a clown here. Watch a clown here talk about in the like my song. And they don't know about music. Watch a person here. And just move right along with your life. If you was an individual, you have to hear it and say, Jano, they don't like my song and start feel away. Then this industry is not an industry for you. If you even want to deal with somebody who in the industry, you have to have thick skin as well. Because remember, them out on the streets, whether they male or female, they got to see them around other people. We're excited to see them. Them fans, people love and appreciate them musically. They don't know them personally, but for their musical contributions, them love and respect them. If you is a person who easily jealous, you have thin skin, they didn't have a work. The industry is set that way. So when certain people make certain statements, the teacher doesn't laugh off of it. Him said just like Nicki Minaj say, the haters can't faze me. The haters cannot faze us. They must of them have mouthing. And for them have a voice. And them can articulate speech. Them have a talk. But then everything the people say a gospel. So not because you say it, me have to listen. I don't have to listen to you. If I'm in close proximity of you, I can't lock off my ears. You can talk where you talk. But I'm not committed to memory. After you stop talk where you talk, it's like one ear, one in through one ear and out through the other. So I'm not really even remember what you say. Unless as something you did say, I mean I point it out back in our statement. If I say, no, you did say that. Yeah, maybe in that situation, we will remember because the information is always on the brain. Like a hard drive. But at this point in time, viewers and subscribers in a dancehall music, we realize that certain people want the crown of Vybz Kartel have. But the contribution to the music industry, them refuse to pay that. Remember, you know, heavy is the crown is the statement to you. Meaning says, so when you're at that level in a dancehall music, everybody have forward for you. Whether it be the tabloids, other artists, even some producers. You have people, when I say you have producers, you have produced artists for themselves, we're signed to contract to them. You feel like they would want to feed them artists with them signed to contract. Artists who have contractual obligations to them. You don't feel like them would want to feed them artists be the king. Of course, they don't want to feed them artists be the king. So even the certain producers, I try what them I try. There are other artists, when them can't put out music, them put out statements. And then implore them fans to do the same. No, I was not saying the album reached platinum status yet. I was saying a platinum recording producer, a member of the Grammy committee. I said that Vybz Kartel's album is shocking and also breaking the expectations even set by international superstars and international music stakeholders. So people that say, alright, a teacher that imagine an album, it's going to be at this level. This is going to be the reaction to it. It has surpassed that. It has definitely surpassed that. So that is a good look within itself. We are talking about musical accomplishments. We are talking about musical accolades. Some artists will make some talk. They don't have that. Statements alone they make. So, you see them try a new thing. I try to teach on the ladies. And Ray. And I try. Create a eruption in the camp. You know what I mean? Yeah. They might try create a small eruption in the camp. It now work. Ladies will be ladies. The cat fight are going to take place. But they are all of one mindset. And they know they might try to accomplish. So at no point in time, while they have them discrepancies with each other, will they use that opportunity to say nothing about the nation or the movement that they are a part of. And then everybody in every movement good with one another. Just pointing that out. We in our crew, our link, because we have the same aim and mindset as I pointed out before. But that doesn't mean say me or somebody are part day to day. So maybe that is the situation with these ladies too as well. Maybe they are not friends on a personal level, but they are business associates. You know what I mean? And so the something go. But our one nation and our unity on the ground, you know the something go. By the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you know if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view, and I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. That's once fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Like icon, drop a like on the blog for my life. Here to share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them, sister, and them, brother, them. Check out the blog, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7. Never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And yes, we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. So chat to me there, so you know how the something go. Yeah, man, I move settings, fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is for to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.